Okay, you're right now. Go for it when you're ready.
Tibetan Right Full Series. Welcome Mind Food readers, I'm Charlotte Dodson and I'm going to be taking you through the full Tibetan Right series. Please build gradually, so we'll start with 3 and you can build to 21 as you feel comfortable. These work to stimulate all your 7 key chakra points, which in turn stimulates your endocrine glands, which helps with anti-aging and also helps to tone the whole entire body. So we're going to start by spinning. Bring your feet about hip distance apart, reach your arms away from you, and we turn clockwise. We're going to be doing it 3 times. Then gently we come onto our back, press down through your feet, lowering the body all the way down. So these are all fast movements, press down through your feet. Straight legs here. Inhale the legs up and over, and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale, inhale up, exhale. And then slowly come up, crossing your legs, coming onto your shin bones. Press down through your feet. Bring your hands onto your thighs, roll your shoulders back, strong through your legs. With your arch back as you inhale and exhale up. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale back, exhale one more time. Exhale. And then we press through the hands, cross your legs, bring your feet out in front and your legs are strong here. Press your hands down by your buttocks. Slowly from here we're going to bring our feet a little bit wider, so about hip distance. Press down through your hands, we're going to roll into a tabletop position. Inhale, roll all the way up, lifting, dropping your head. Exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Exhale. And then from here we cross our legs, pressing your hands, tucking your toes under. And from here we're slowly going to tuck the toes and then straighten our legs. This is our starting position, sagging down through your buttocks. Inhale, we're going to lift up high. And then exhale, we lower back down. Your legs are strong and your arms are strong. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more, up, and then drop to your knees. So that is the full Tibetan Right series. I've actually only done 3 of those, and I'd like you to build slowly and gradually to 21. See you next time.